Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make ingen no gomae. Ingen no gomae or green beans with sesame sauce is very popular and classic Japanese side dish. It's very easy and quick to make, but it's so flavorful and delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ingen no gomae, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. About 200 gram green beans, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoon ground sesame, and half a teaspoon salt. I'm cooking the green beans first, so let's cut both ends of the green beans. And put them in the frying pan. Put half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of water. Put the lid on and cook it for 4 minutes over high heat. While you cook the beans, don't take the lid off, you're steam cooking them. Cook 4 minutes, so let's take them out in ice water to stop cooking and also to keep the color. Then dry them well with kitchen paper. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now, I'm making the sesame sauce. 2 tablespoons of ground sesame. If you can't find ground sesame, you can just grind some sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Give it a mix. And the sauce is ready. It's like a paste. Let's put the green beans. Mix it with the sauce. Serve in the bowl. And ingen no gomae is ready to go. It's so easy, too easy almost. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. I love the texture. The texture is very important, so make sure not to overcook it. 4 minutes sharp. The sesame sauce is kind of peanutty and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Ingen no gomae is the side dish, so let's put it here. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Kakitamajiru or Japanese egg soup here, and how about shrimp yakisoba that also cover the main dish. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!